Now in a situation like this is not my design, and as a result, it's very difficult to get access and maintain. This is an old water feature that's leaking. The first thing that I noticed was that this liner, which is obviously being used for a repair at some point, was equal with the spillway. And so water was getting behind the liner. And so the first step is to cut down the spillway and retain the existing liner. And to do these kinds of things, there's a lot of different materials and tools that I only need a few times a year. And so that's one of the, balance points of being pretty good at a lot of things, is I'm not doing one thing 8 hours a day constantly. In fact, in 25 years of experience, I've never encountered this exact design of water feature, even though I've encountered hundreds. And so that's part of the creativity, it's part of the interest. How do you solve this problem? And who wants to clean a pond? Not me, but that's part of the package, meaning you don't want to have a separate cleaner when someone's doing your repair. So part of the job is to clean everything out, and my job is to get to know every little nuance of this pool so that water is not being wasted. My job is also to take the client into this process. So on this job, we've lowered this spillway here because it looks like a fair amount of water is leaking out when the water level of the pool is up here. And there are also some hairline cracks in this spillway. And so, in this whole area right here, we're going to put a sealant in place because it's quite hollow underneath, and that suggests where a lot of the water is running out. It's got an auto inflow valve, but this is all gungy and dirty. So we're cleaning this out.